Wala na. 500. That's an ordinary family meal. My goodness. Tapos yun ang nakakainis sa'kin 'no. My parents, even if they didn't have money, they would really make a way to make Noche Buena a feast. Tapos itong mga 'to sasabihin sa'kin 500 lang, because of your incompetence. Because the Filipinos are being robbed of opportunities because of corruption. My goodness. Oh, sabi ni Charlie Connor, "Attorney, tignan ko costing nun, 400 grams na pasta, kung tatlo kayo may bisita pa expected, kahit nga 7 servings, dapat 50 grams lang kada serving ng pasta at 40 ml na sauce.